We love the layers and the chaos of Francis Mallmann's style, but the problem is it doesn't work for a hot climate. So today I want to take this rugged soul of Francis Mallmann and translate it into looks that really work for summer. Summer chaos isn't about being messy or unkept. It's about being intentional with how you put things together. Today I want to show you a few looks from my closet, only using the fabric linen because I feel like it is one of those perfect fabrics for summer. It's so cool, but not everybody loves it because it does have that rumpled, kind of unkept look, which I personally love, and I think we need to embrace. It's also such a great fabric in the heat because it really is cooling. If you take a piece of linen outside in the sun, you'll see that it's almost completely see-through because that weave is not tightly woven together, leaving it breathable and comfortable and perfect for the heat. And because there is a little bit of rumple, a little bit of crinkle naturally to linen, it adds that texture, which gives us a sense of layering without adding in a lot of layers. And when we think about linen, we tend to think about a lot of volume, which adds this beautiful architectural interest to an outfit. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, this outfit is really simple. There's a lot of volume here. The pants are really wide. They almost look like a skirt. I've been wearing them a ton, so they are not ironed. And the top, I just simply took out of the laundry, threw in the dryer for like 5 minutes on low heat. And you can see there's a little bit of a texture here. It's not perfect, but that's what kind of brings some interest to this outfit. I added in my Birkenstock shoes in a silver color, a really simple little raffia clutch, and then a bangle in a similar color to the shoe. When it's hot out, I hate having a lot of accessories, so I like to keep it simple. And the fact that these accessories are simple, but they're still a little bit elevated, makes this outfit, in my opinion, quite dressy. I would definitely wear this in Europe sightseeing. I would definitely wear this on a really hot night out for dinner. I feel comfortable, easy, yet it has a relaxed elegance. All right, if you remember in that video, we talked about Francis Mallmann and his mix of colors, how he really is creative with his interesting color palette. So for outfit number 2, this is what I wanted to show you. Gorgeous saffron color in this caftan that I absolutely love. Again, there's a lot of volume here. It's quite big, but I've anchored it once again with a few key accessories. I switched out my Birkenstocks for a wedge sandal in a really, really light pale gray because I feel like the softness of that works with this beautiful color of saffron. Then I added in this interesting necklace from Anne-Marie Chagnon. She's a Montreal artist, and it's got this gorgeous mint green. So I feel like mixing these two colors together are definitely really beautiful, really interesting, but all of a sudden adding a necklace to this caftan makes it look a little bit more dressy, a little bit more elevated. And then finally, to finish off this outfit, I've added in my really fun bag. Again, a little bit of a basket bag vibe, very summery. And these little bright bits of color really work with this beautiful saffron color. And I feel like the mint picks up in the mint on the bag. We've got yellow, we've got pop of pink, and it's still subtle, but I feel like it really works. It makes this outfit look dressy, makes it look like an outfit I could definitely do day to night in, and honestly, I feel so comfortable in this outfit. Okay, next up is another very Francis Mallmann style palette. If you watched my video last week, then you know how much I love a shirt dress, and I love the earthiness, the simplicity of this shirt dress. I've added in a gold cuff, I've added in a brown sandal, and then to finish off this outfit, I've added in a big black and white tote that has a weave similar again to a basket bag. Very summery, very relaxed, very easy, and I feel very chic in this outfit. Okay, in this next outfit, I wanted you to see this same shirt dress styled in a different way. I've taken a pair of brown linen pants that also have a lot of volume. I've added in this striped orange and cream colored tank from so many years ago. I almost cannot wear it on its own. It has to be layered like this because it's starting to look a little bit shabby. And it is a cotton linen blend. I've layered over the shirt dress over top, added in a couple of bangles that are fun, that pick up that color of the orange stripe and add a little bit of interest. Finished it off with a Longchamp bag in black and white, kept the same sandal, and I feel like this outfit looks chic. I feel like I could be in a city center somewhere, feeling cool, feeling really relaxed, but looking put together. There is, once again, a lot of volume here, but it's anchored with these great accessories. And if I wanted to finish this outfit off in true Francis Mallmann style, I could add a really lightweight scarf in a really subtle polka dot. It's a similar color to the shirt dress, and it just really works together. It feels light, it feels airy, and I think it looks super chic. Okay, so for my next outfit, all I've done is added in a brown linen shirt that is the same color as these linen barrel pants. There's a lot of volume going on here. It's big, it's billowy. It feels like I'm wearing pajamas. But to keep this outfit looking chic, I kept that same linen cotton blend tank top on and left the shirt a little bit open. So it draws the eye in, it anchors this whole look, and it feels really good. Kept the same sandals, the same Longchamp bag, and if I want to add in that one Francis Mallmann bold kind of element, then I could take this great hat in this fantastic blue color to give myself a little bit of sun coverage. Love it. Okay, and so for my final outfit, I have taken the same brown linen shirt, the same brown linen barrel pants, and just styled it in a different way. You know how much I love a monochromatic look because I talk about it all the time, practically in every video. And I love it because I feel like it's really, really chic and is a very European way of styling. But because there is a lot of volume here, I wanted to cinch in the shirt at my waist with a belt. This is another really great trick to elevate any kind of outfit, whether it's a t-shirt or a t-shirt dress or a sweater dress or an outfit like I've got on now. Adding in a belt just gives it that extra polish. Then I stuck to the same sandals because they're so comfortable, and I love the brown with the brown and the belt. And then I've added in the gray bangle again and the black and brown tote. This outfit is so comfortable, and I feel like that this is the kind of thing that I could wear doing anything, going anywhere. It feels chic, it feels polished, and it really does have that Francis Mallmann vibe. So the thing about the summer chaos is that it's not really about a lack of order. It's more embracing a different kind of order. I encourage you to try wearing a linen that is unironed and a little wrinkled and a little worn feeling, and accessorize it in a different kind of way. Please let me know in the comments which is your kind of go-to anchor accessory that you feel elevates all of your looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you feel inspired. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It really helps me to know what kind of content you love. Just wanted to quickly mention that there are still some spaces left for next weekend's workshop, Blame It on Venus. Would love to have you if you can make it. Tickets are on the website. And of course, for more ideas, more inspiration, you know what to do. Continue to follow me on Facebook, on Substack, and on Instagram.